Welcome to AI for Laboratory Managers by Complete AI Training. As a laboratory manager, you know that change is constant and embracing new technologies is essential. With artificial intelligence transforming every aspect of lab operations, this course is designed to empower you to optimize your everyday work. Imagine reducing tedious paperwork and streamlining data management while finding more time for impactful research and team leadership. In this course, you'll dive into engaging video tutorials that break down the essentials of AI and machine learning so you can easily integrate these tools into your lab. You'll also gain access to an extensive library of AI prompts created specifically for laboratory tasks, along with practical ebooks, guides, and audiobooks that allow you to learn on the move. Every resource is tailored to help you simplify complex processes and foster innovation within your team. Not only will you learn to automate routine functions and improve accuracy, but you will also acquire the skills that make you indispensable. Most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. Whether you're just beginning or looking to refine your strategy with ongoing course updates, you'll always be at the forefront of technology. Discover all AI for Laboratory Managers training courses on CompleteAITraining.com and take the next step in transforming your laboratory into a hub of excellence and efficiency.